Good morning, Rebels. This is Monday,
November 3rd, 2025, and this is your week at a glance. Hey, integrated Math 3 students, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week 14, November 3rd to November 7th, 2025. We're in Module 1B, Quadratic Functions, Quadratic Formula, and the Discriminant. Learning goal students will be able to use the quadratic formula and discriminant to solve quadratic equations and determine the number of real roots on their lessons. Alright, we have finished 16 days in second quarter. 37% of it is done. 62% is left, guys. There's only 27 school days left in the 2025 school year. For first semester, we are 70% done, and we are 35% done with the school year. I have a revised calendar for you. Any late work for second quarter progress reports will be due on November 18th. So green is where we are this week. And let me just tell you about next week. We have a non-student day, Veterans Day, so both of those are non-student days, and then 12th, 13th, 14th, one full week, Thanksgiving break, 2.5 weeks in December, and then finals on 18th and 19th, and 2 weeks winter break, and then we're done with first semester. Circle the calendars, December 13th, you can serve detentions and turn in unlimited late work if you have a participation of 100, so come on out. Grades, just because you turn it in, especially if it's late, doesn't mean I grade it. You have to go through late work. Hey, this week we got a discussion on the Dodgers, so in light of the World Series, go ahead and do that. Okay, detentions aren't going to be erased this Friday. I'll tell you why in a second. They'll be erased the following Friday. Rose for Christ, we're starting a movie, so come check us out. I'll probably post a, what's that thing called? Trailer, so you can see what it is. Foods Pods Way, we're at 1078 subscribers, so this will expire the last day of school around 1:30. Okay, this week, Monday, November 3rd, we're going to do a warm-up question on the project support packet. 1.5 and the project support packets are due, so you can scan in class, and then we're going to take a 1-question quiz from your project support, or basically how to convert your quadratic functions. You can use your foldables and your notes. Okay, this week 1.60, 1, 2, and then 3. Friday I'm gone. Substitute, so bring your Chromebook and your headphones. You need to complete 4 and 5. So if you can get those done, finish the whole packet, you are in good shape. Remember, you want to be on good behavior with the sub. If I see the same reports, I'll be taking away your notes and even your calculators for your quizzes. Your Dodger discussion is due. And peek ahead to next week, we talked about 2 non-student days. So when you guys come back, we'll have half the period will be on a quiz on 1.5, converting the project support packet at 1.6. And then 1.6 packet will be due Wednesday. I'll open it up so you can kind of see it. So you can turn it in early if you're done early, and then we'll finish 1.7. And then big news on November the 14th. I'll have you guys submit your Google Slides as a draft due. I told you guys how to scare you. Well, scares your grade. You got to do your project. If you don't want to do it, I'm going to put in a 0 right away so you can see your grade drop right away, so you still have 1 more month to finish. Okay, for your Desmo selfie project, you should be working on 5B, 6B, steps 5B, 6B. Now you have enough math because we finished the project support packet last week, this week. So here's a video, 5-minute video that can help you with those steps. And of course, if you need some tech help and some just general, how do you get the going from like what you have in Desmos to your paper, you can watch this video. And then this video has the playlist. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
That's all for today, Rebels. Have a mathematical Monday.
Mr. Ng, he's a math game changer. In the classroom, never a stranger, solving problems, he's got the key, making math cool for you and me. So here's to Math 3 and Mr. Ng too. Thanks for the knowledge, for all that you do. In every equation, every theorem, every rhyme, we're acing math 1 class at a time.